my name is Bob and we're going to talk about giant devil's fig. Giant devil's fig is an environmental weed found along waterways, disturbed areas, pastures and forest edges in New South Wales, Queensland and Victoria. It's a pioneer species that will rapidly invade disturbed areas. Giant devil's fig is a shrub or a small tree. The key identifying features are its large lobed leaves with 7 to 13 lobes per leaf. The leaves are arranged alternately along the stem, and the stem and leaves have sparse prickles. There's reddish hairs on the new growth at the top of the tree. It flowers from autumn to spring, and the flowers are small and white in clusters of about 50. The fruits turn from green to yellow as they ripen and are eaten and spread by birds, bats and other animals. The seeds are also spread by water and in contaminated soil. Giant devil's fig are thought to be poisonous to livestock if eaten in large amounts. The prickles on the stem and leaves of the plant may cause injury to animals and people, so it's important to wear protective clothing when working with this plant. This includes covered clothes, eye protection and gloves. Giant devil's figs can be controlled with herbicides, or they can be physically removed. Small plants can be dug out with a mattock, being careful to minimize soil disturbance. Alternatively, plants smaller than 1 meter can be spot sprayed with a herbicide mix of glyphosate and methylfuran-methyl. The New South Wales DPI recommends a rate of 1 part of glyphosate per 50 parts of water and 15 grams of methylfuran-methyl per 100 litres of water. For backpack spraying, this translates as 200 ml of glyphosate and 1.5 grams of methylfuran-methyl per 10 litres. When spot spraying, it's important to cover all foliage and stems, to get a good kill. It's of course important to avoid off-target damage, when we're spraying. This is not spraying native trees that are around. The fruit will not be killed when you spray, so they should be collected and disposed of prior to spot spraying. For larger plants, we can use the cut, scrape and paint technique. We clear around the base, scrape the outer bark of the base of the tree with a knife, exposing the phloem layer. Then we cut low to the ground and apply the herbicide. And for even larger giant devil's fig, we can use the stem injection method. And again, we clear around the base of the tree, drill holes approximately 5 centimeters apart with a 10mm drill bit, and then apply the herbicide. The rate of herbicide for the cut, scrape and paint and stem injection method is 1 part of glyphosate to 1.5 parts of water and 1 gram of methylfuran-methyl per litre of water. Giant devil's fig is a regional priority weed in northern New South Wales. Land managers are asked to reduce impacts from the plant on priority assets. If you need assistance, you can reach out to your local land care group. Together, we can make a big difference.